Welcome. Today I want to walk you through everything you need to know about buying a home in Michigan. This is a big step, and having a clear roadmap helps you feel confident every step of the way. Now, whether this is your first home or your next home, understanding the process makes a huge difference. So let's get started and make this journey as smooth as possible. Now, we'll start by discussing your goals, what you want, and where you want to live, your ideal timeline. Next, we'll connect you to a lender to get pre-approved. This way, it shows exactly what you can afford and makes your offer stand out. You will need a few documentation, like pay stubs, tax returns, but don't worry. This part usually takes just a few days. Now, once you're pre-approved, we'll start your customized home search based on location, price, and features. We can also tour homes virtually or in person, whatever works best for you. I'll also help you evaluate each property condition and potential, so you'll make a smart and confident choice. This stage can take a few weeks, and I'll be right there with you, sharing insights and neighborhood info every step of the way. When you find the right home, it's time to make an offer. We'll put together a strong purchase agreement, including price, deposit, and contingencies to protect you. Then I'll negotiate on your behalf to secure the best possible terms. Now, once the seller accepts, the home goes pending and your earnest money is safely held in escrow. Next comes the home inspection, where you hire a licensed inspector and they check out the home systems and structures for any issues. If something comes up, you can 1. Accept the home as is, request repairs or credits, or walk away if major issues are found. This step ensures your investment is protected. Now, after the inspection, the lender will order an appraisal to confirm the home's value. Now, if it comes in lower than expected, we can renegotiate or adjust the loan. Then the underwriter begins its process. The lender verifies your income, credit, and property details. So don't go buy that car just yet or furniture. Now, this step can take a couple of weeks, so staying responsive helps everything move smoothly. Now, before closing, we'll do a final walkthrough just to make sure that everything is in order and all the repairs are complete and there's no big issue that came up. Then comes closing day, where you assign the documents, transfer the funds, and once the deed is recorded, congratulations, the home is officially yours. Now, even after closing, I'm still here with you. I'll help you set up your utilities, understanding any tax exemptions, also finding trusted contractors or renovators if needed. But also, I'll keep you updated on market trends to support your long term as a homeowner. Think of me as your ongoing research for all things real estate. A pre-approval can take a few days. A home search can range anywhere from 1 to 6 weeks. Offer acceptance a few days. The inspection, I say, takes about a week. Appraisal and underwriting, 2 to 3 weeks. All in all, total, it can be about 4 to 6 weeks from offer to closing. Working with a trusted and local realtor makes all the difference. I'm committed to guiding you through every step from pre-approval to closing and beyond. Now, if you're ready to start your home ownership journey in Michigan, reach out today for a free consultation.
From the east to the west, see the city ignite. Metro moves where the cash don't sleep. Michigan real estate where the ground runs.